In spotlight of BonBi farm, there are some animals were hurt. Please check them. The ambulance bring rock coming. The wasp were hurt on the leg. Apply the medicine and bandage, please. Let's bring the wasp home. Oh, our dog are also injured. Apply the medicine and the bandage for the dog, please. Ambulance, bring the little cat to clinic. The cat and dog has a running race, so they have the same. My dear cat, go to clinic for it. Oh, little pig, do you also hurt? Go down here and let me check. You hurt in the leg. Go home to pray. Ambulance, bring the cow coming. It will finish her soon, my dear cow. Hi sheep. Ambulance, bring the sheep coming. Are you very hurt? Let's check for the sheep. Thank you for your help. Bye bye cow. Bye bye sheep. I'm hurt. Keep calm please. I come to check for you now. Go home to pray, please. Thank you, my dear. Are you hungry, my friend? It will be fine soon. My friend pig, please eat some fresh vegetable. Thank you very much. My dear little cat, let's eat some food. You need to eat to be get well. Thank you. My dear rabbit, let's eat some carrots. Who else takes this grass? Oh yes, we bring the grass for sheep, wasp, and the cow to eat. Today we apply the medicine and bandage for all the animals in the farm. See you next time. Bye bye. Don't forget like, comment and subscribe to get new videos.